I'm starting to think that if we keep meeting like this, people are going to start talking. Where is Karina Daninger at today? I will tell you, I'm in a spectacular neighborhood in West Melbourne, and I just had the photographer leave. He had his drones, he had the photos going, and I have a really special home to share with you today. And it's not just special because it's very good friends of mine's home that they raised their 2 kids in, and their kids are cute as buttons, even though they're all grown up. It's actually because they've done a spectacular job getting this house ready for me. And if you've ever sold a house with me, you know I snap that whip to get you going, because you only get one chance to make a first impression. So if you're looking to sell a house, our inventory's low, I'd be very happy to meet with you and give you some pointers. So let me give you a little tour. I had to kind of hide over here because the sun is so bright today. So let me spin this back around so you can see the other side. The owners did over $100,000 in upgrades and remodeling. I want to show you this gorgeous new driveway they put in. They had some big oak trees that made it pop up. So they took out the oak trees, and look how stunning this is. This is, I mean, I think you could park about 8 tractor trailers back here. The neighborhood I'm in has an amazing HOA. It's only $100 a month, $1,200 a year. Brand new garage door. I love the screens for the door. So if you're working in the garage, you can actually sit there and shut the screens and keep the little lizards out or any of the bugs that might be flying by. You're at the end of a cul-de-sac. Right there's the cul-de-sac. Beautiful manicured lawns and landscaping. Cute little swing on the pine tree. Stunning flower beds. I love the river rock up by the house. Very pretty. Gorgeous sidewalk taking you to the front. In this HOA, they have free boat storage and RV storage if you are a homeowner here. They cover your cable, your basic cable, and your internet. You get a lot from this HOA, where most homeowners do not cover that type of stuff unless you're in a condo. All right, look at this. They have this adorable pond. You can add fish if you want. Very nicely, nice Florida nature landscaping going on. Very private from your front doorstep. Isn't that pretty? So nice. I absolutely love it. I love the brick accent. But let's go on in. It's much cooler, I can tell you that. The air conditioning is newer. The roof is new. They did a ton of new stuff. I've actually listed most of their new upgrades. You have a nice front formal room up here. You can make it a dining room, an office, a living room, really whatever you want. Gorgeous high ceilings, adorable light fixture. They had dogs, so they actually put a screen door on the inside to keep the dogs from going out through the garage and then running through the neighborhood, which is a good idea, actually. All right, now as we come in, before we go there, I'm going to show you this adorable half bath when you first walk in. So you have a half bath right off the kitchen. And then check this room out. This room is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at the high ceilings. I love the stone accent that they did, along with the wood accent over the fireplace. They did really nice right there. Isn't that gorgeous? So nice. So beautiful fireplace, it works. Nice ceiling fan, stunning kitchen. They had cabinets that ran along the front here. I asked them to take it down, and what a difference in lighting it made into this kitchen. So nice. Opened it right up. So you have some spots if you want to put little plants up there. They remodeled their coffee/wine bar. This was gorgeous. They put really nice granite countertops. You have the built-in wine fridge, the copper sink, and plenty of storage. Beautiful lighting, just really pretty. We will be coming to the pool shortly, but you have a nice view out the kitchen. I want to show you how nice and big this kitchen is. The kitchen has, if you want to put new cabinets in, you could totally get away with 42-inch cabinets in this kitchen. Nice, deep, hard sink, new dishwasher. It has a new refrigerator. The range is fairly new too. Nice microwave. Really pretty backsplash. I love the backsplash. They redid their countertops. Nice tile floor. We're gonna go to the left first and then we'll swing back to the right. I wanna take you into the dining room. This dining room is very nice with the cathedral high pitched ceilings, beautiful tile. I love their tile. It has a southwestern flair. I love the pebbles that break it into the other room. Very nice. Look at that gorgeous window up there, letting all that natural light in here. And we're gonna come into the master bedroom. The master bedroom has also very nice tile. I love how it's staggered with the little decorative pieces in between. Nice high ceilings, ceiling fan, and of course a double slider out to the pool. So you have private access out to the pool. We're gonna go on in. They put up a barn door so it slides very nicely back and forth, so it wasn't taking up so much room when the door would open into the bedroom. Into this very large, very cool master bath. The master bath has a nice, very large jacuzzi tub, jetted tub. It has the seamless doors on the shower. Those are beautiful. I just love how they did that. It's and then we're gonna spin around. I'm gonna try to stay out of the mirror. Beautiful sinks and countertops. Gorgeous vanity, extra storage behind me for towels or whatever by the shower. Really, really pretty. Right out of a magazine, how they've decorated this up. The master closet has tile floors as well. They had some built-ins that they put in. So you got the built-ins. This room is the size of some people's bedrooms. So you could reshelve it, do a full-on California closet in there, or leave it as it is. I love walking through this master bedroom. It's just so pretty. So now we're gonna go on out, and I just wanna remind you, there's that peekaboo into the front room when we first walked in through the front door. As we come through, this would be your eat-in kitchen. So eat-in kitchen, again, overlooking the pool. And now we're gonna rock back and check out 3 more bedrooms. I love the view out of every window. It's just so lush outside in this neighborhood that it just makes you feel like you're away on vacation, even though you're home. You have a view from the laundry room, so while you're folding laundry, you could be checking out the pool. They have cabinets, they have a nice sink in here. It is nicely tiled. And now we're gonna come to the next bathroom. And we have beautiful new light fixtures, a new vanity, new mirror, new faucets, a nice toilet in the corner, and then you have your tub shower combo, which is very nice. And to make it even better, one of the things I love about Florida is we put these doors out to the pool. So when you have people over, they're not slipping and sliding all over your floors or trashing your floors because they're all wet and they need to use the bathroom. So easy, come and go to the bathroom. And absolutely gorgeous wood plank tile floors in this bathroom that were recently done. These floors are stunning too. I love the hardwood floors. In here, you have new closet doors. You have a slider out of this bedroom to the pool. So 3 access points to the pool, and then from sliders, and 1 door from the pool bath. So very nice bedroom. Back here was the kids' bedrooms that grew up back here. And we kept the floors neutral. They were painted, so literally you can put anything down in here. Wood, carpet, or leave it as is. If you have kids, it's much easier to maintain. Gorgeous view out the side window. Nice ceiling fan, and new closet doors. And you have the nice bedroom door. Yep, very nice. All right, and then the last bedroom is over here, which we have a ceiling fan, the nice window, again, the hard floors, so they're painted, ready to roll. And this house is literally drop your bags, move in ready. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna, instead of walking all the way through the house like I normally do, we are gonna cut through the bathroom door. All right, here we go. Check out this pool area. It used to have what's called pebble tech. It's this tiny little pebbles that was very popular back in the 80s to put around your pool. Not very nice to walk on. They ripped it all out. Put these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pavers all around the pool. They resurfaced the pool, which is absolutely stunning. It's so hot today. I'm very tempted to jump in, but I have more houses to go list and sell today. So I guess no playtime for Karina on a Friday, but later. All right, so nice big screened in enclosure around the pool. You have this nice overhang that's deep, so you can set up chairs, your grill, you can do your patio table, and you could actually be out here when it's raining. And to help you when the sun comes out, they have a nice little screen that you can actually pull down on this side. This is such a nice backyard. The roof is great. That's all new. So now what I want to show you is the most spectacular backyard. If you are looking for a little privacy, a lot of privacy, in a nice backyard, wait till you see what I got going on here. We have a trellis. She's got all sorts of fruit growing back here, nicely landscaped. She's got fresh basil going on. A little jealous. A good spot for the pool equipment on the side of the house. And then look how deep this backyard goes. An old tree house from when the kids were little. I love, love, love this one right here. I believe that's a magnolia. It's ginormous. Just really a gorgeous backyard. The pool's already here, so now you have room for the dogs to run, the kids to play, store your toys back here, but you don't have to store your boat or your RV here, because remember, the HOA gives you free storage. That's part of that $100 a month that you pay. So it's literally spectacular. And so you will be able to be part of West Melbourne, the school districts that we love back here. We're close to the beach, literally a stone throw away from 95 if you're traveling, if you're looking for a house that will house your family and give you a spot to work. If you're one of the engineers now at our aerospace companies and you need to work from home, this house has space. You can create an office with no problem. So here's the deal. This house will be on the market tomorrow morning. As soon as we get the photography back from the photographer, I will be going live. I can't wait for you to see the drone of the neighborhood. I can't wait for you to see the actual photos from the street forward. Is stunning. And remember, that huge driveway, if you have teenagers that are going to start driving soon, this driveway is definitely has the space for that, along with a really spectacular home ready to go. And if you're not from this area, I will tell you, this particular neighborhood does not last long. So if you think you're interested, make your appointment right away, because this house is not going to be around. If it's on the market for 2 weeks, it'll be a very long time. All right, so drop your bags, call me, call your agent, but call somebody and get over here for an appointment starting tomorrow when we go live. This is Karina Danager with Keller Williams. Have a spectacular Friday.